Welcome to our tutorial on how to block a Facebook community admin on your PC. Facebook has recently updated this process, so we'll guide you through the latest steps to ensure you can manage your online experience effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look for the messenger icon in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a speech bubble. Click on it to open your messages. Now, in the Messenger window, you'll see a section called Communities on the left-hand side. Click on this to expand it, then select the specific community where you want to block an admin. Once you're in the community, look for the Members tab. It's usually located near the top of the page. Click on it, and then choose the Admins filter to display only the community administrators. Here's where the new update comes into play. Next to each admin's name, you'll notice 3 dots. These dots represent a menu of actions you can take. Click on the dots next to the name of the admin you wish to block. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Block option. Facebook will then ask you to confirm whether you want to block on Facebook. This is important because it will block the admin not just in this community, but across the entire Facebook platform. Finally, you'll see a confirmation dialog box. This is your last chance to reconsider, so make sure you really want to proceed. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the action. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked a Facebook community admin. Remember, blocking an admin is a significant action, so use this feature wisely. It's always best to try resolving conflicts through communication first. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Facebook tips and tricks.